As I mentioned in the previous Tech Tips Tuesday, one of the great features about Instanet Forms is the fact that you can use it on a mobile phone. Again, any phone is going to work just as well. This is a simulator for what an iPhone would look like. But essentially you go into your browser and it's going to open up a window where you're going to want to navigate to, for instance, one of your bookmarks. So in this situation I bookmarked DocBox to go. Once you do that, you will enter your name, your last name, and your password. And I hope I have the right one. Click on Login. I do. Once that happens, you're going to see you can access. Oh, what happened here? Let's done that. You can see here, once you've done that, you can access your inbox, your transaction, or your folders. Because we saved 853 Gravel as a transaction, it should pop up as the top one, which you'll see that it has. And again, we just did this a moment ago. When I click on 853 Gravel, or touch it or what have you, it's gonna, you see that it's working up here. It's gonna open up the transaction. Now you have the option of looking at viewing the documents, viewing the contacts, or viewing the forms. Again, there's no documents to be seen because all we have is this fax back cover sheet. Because at this point we have not actually gotten signatures on any of the forms. But what we can do is go back to the transaction. We can look at the forms. At this point, let's say that you left the office and you forgot to forward the forms. You need to email them, or the client of yours said, "Oh shoot, I deleted it by accident. Could you send it?" Rather than have to wait till you got home, you can just go in, check the items that you wanted to send. So again, we did the purchase and sale contract, and we did the property inspection, and we can scroll up to the top. We want to email the selected forms. Click on Go. Recipient name is just again just what you're going to normally fill out here. So we click on recipient name and email address, and CC anybody if we want. Here you go again, and we can include the fax back cover sheet, which is going to be included so they can get it back into the system nice and simply. And we click on send. Now email has been successfully sent. If your client says, "Oh shoot, I can get a fax at work, it's easier for me to get a fax," no problems. We will go back to the document, and we'll again access the transactions. Gravel Road again. View the forms. We want to now send the purchase and sale, property inspection, and how would we like to send that? We would like to fax the forms. Anybody that said you can't fax from your phone, you can now. Click on Go. Recipient name, it's going to be the same thing. Fax number is, I believe, fax to multiple people, separate with commas. I believe you just put it on all at one. 362-8574. And here you go. Include a cover back sheet. Hit send. If you wanted to send it to multiple people, you just put a comma in there and you just send it right off. So fax successfully sent. So as you can see, DocBox to go is a very, very powerful tool that I think you're going to enjoy, and I really think you should try your next transaction using DocBox to go. If you're uncomfortable actually using it right from the get-go, you may want to do a paper one and then pretend or simulate doing one on the computer so you can see how that works. But I think it's a wise thing, and it will definitely help your business and make you look more professional. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.